Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Lern. Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Lern, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Lern.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is...
Fireproof a balloon. To view our what to get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required. Let's begin. Whoa.
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa. Wow. Wasn't that incredible?
Yeah.
The science behind the experiment. Water has what is called a high heat capacity, which means it takes a lot of energy to change the water's temperature. By contrast, air has a low heat capacity, so when you put the air-filled balloon over the candle, the balloon bursts almost immediately. The air conducts heat poorly, so the spot right over the flame quickly gets overheated and the balloon pops. When you put the water-filled balloon over the candle, the heat is absorbed by the water. Then the heated water rises and is replaced by cooler water. This means that the spot on the balloon that is right over the candle is cooled by new water molecules, so the latex of the balloon does not get hot enough to pop. This transfer of heat from the candle to the water will continue until the water can absorb no more heat.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.